Hey guys, so you see my hair is dirty. I got buildup around the front of my head. So I am about to start wash day and I got some new products. This is a non-sponsored post. I'm just trying these out. These are like basically my first impressions of the main Krush. Their Krisis Kontrol. Heard great things about this brand a lot. So I'm going to be trying their Ayurvedic cleaning mask to start off my wash day. So let's get into it. Too thick. It's a nice gliding feeling almost. My spray bottle. I spray my hair a little bit. If you want to know where I got this spray bottle, just head to the description box down below and I'll have it linked. The products. I'm really heavy-handed with products. I'm trying not to be heavy-handed because her stuff is a little pricey. And sis paid for it. Yes, I paid for it out of my pocket. It's non-sponsored, I said.
I love how gentle this product is, and it has like a light lather, and when I'm scrubbing my hair it feels like I'm cleaning it. Like it feels clean, it feels good, it smells good, it works. When I rinsed my hair out, girl, I'm telling you, my scalp was clean. Now I'm adding the hair mask. The hair mask has a really great consistency. It's not too thick, it penetrates the shaft. It has a great smell. It's sweet, but not too sweet, because Lord knows I cannot stand a product that has very strong fragrance, perfume fragrance. Gives me a dang on headache. So yeah, it has great slip, great moisture. My hair was moisturized.
One product that I'll be using from the main Krush. It is Kurltini. It's a styler. It's a gel. It's a loose gel. As you can see, it jiggles a little bit. It's a little pasty. Kind of reminds me of like a glue. Not too sticky. What style I'll be doing? I am doing a Twaid out, flat Twaids, and my Twaids in the back. So y'all know I started the style flat Twaids. I'm gonna do the flat Twaids in the front, like going to how I want my hair to fall. And I'm doing Twaids in the back, okay? So I put the leave-in already from the Curl Krush line. So, and this is the Kurltini gel. I like the way it feels. I like the definition. Look at the definition. I can definitely use this for a wash and go. And I have faith that this style is gonna come out popping. If you don't know what Twaids are, look up right there and check out my first Twaid out video. I also have another one up there, which is a Twaid out in Bantu knot style, and now we're doing a Twaid out with the flat Twaid. I Twaided out the rest of my hair. And now I'm gonna do my flat Twaids in the front. I want it to fall this way. And then we start from the root. They're just cornrow basically. So that's braided. Then we're gonna take the ends We're gonna detangle some more at the ends because you wanna make sure your hair is detangled really well before you start styling it. And this is where we start to do our 2-strand twist. And you wanna make sure you're doing it tightly over here so that we can keep that definition. And then you know what we do at the ends every video. What do we do when we're doing the 2-strand twist? We've been over this a million times, so if you're not finger coiling the ends of your 2-strand twist,
okay, Houston, we have a problem here.
have a problem.
This is Houston Sagan.
Straight down. I let my hair dry for 2 days because your girl was tired or whatever. So we're gonna do the takedown now. I don't have oil from the main Krush. I don't have any oil from the main Krush. So I'm gonna be using my favorite oil, as y'all know, the Flora Curl oil. And we're gonna start taking these down. Okay, you see the definition is popping. Now we're gonna take the braid part down. Make sure you coat your hands with the oil so we don't get any frizz. Y'all see that definition? All right, so now we're taking out the flat Twaids. We take them down from the bottom first, and then make sure your hands and your fingertips are coated, and you slowly separate. So this is the finished look. We got volume and definition for days, y'all. Like, for days. It's soft. It's just how I like it. I hate day one hair. I don't like it to be like too small. So this definition and volume is like perfect. And then as the days go by, it's gonna get bigger and bigger and bigger. And I am here for it. Okay, y'all? So tell me what y'all think in the comments. I will say that the gel, the Kurltini gel, is a lightweight gel. It did have a cast when I took it down, but adding oil to my hands and coating my hair made it break the cast. It's soft, it's flowy. It helped keep definition in my hair. I'm gonna try the buttercream on a twist out next time and see how I like that by itself. But and all in all, I do like the products. I will say that the deep conditioner, I liked it a lot. I had some moisture, but it wasn't the best deep conditioner I've tried so far. And I really am liking the cleansing mask. I'll probably repurchase that. The Kurltini, I'm gonna try and do a wash and go with it. That's how I really know if I really love the gel. But so far, so good. I mean, I have no real complaints about the products. There's no flaking, no product buildup. They all mixed well together, and that's a plus in my eyes. So if you like what you see here today, make sure you like and subscribe. Check your girl out, check out my other videos, and thank you for watching.